Okay guys, let's do some JavaScript. We have our Vimeo API, we have our Sweet Alert which we're gonna install just to have some beautiful notifications, and we have our player. Now when the user finishes to watch a video, we want to alert something to the user like a notification message, and then maybe redirect the user to the next lesson or something like that. So let's go ahead and take care of that in this video. If you haven't installed Sweet Alert, just go ahead and pull that in, npm install Sweet Alert. And then for our video player, we need to listen to when the video completes or when the video is ended. And we check out the events, we have an ended event right there. Therefore, we'll head over to player.view, and in our mounted hook, we are going to say player.on ended, call a method which is going to be this.display video ended alert. Okay, so therefore we need to create that method. So I'm going to create my methods object right here, and I need a display video ended alert. Now how would this be? We need to display an alert, therefore let's pull in the Sweet Alert library that we just installed. So import Sweet Alert from Sweet Alert. Okay, then here we can say Sweet Alert, and we're gonna say yay, you completed this video or this lesson or whatever. Okay, then we can listen to what happens as soon as the user clicks on the confirm button, and once that happens, we're gonna say window.location equals the home page for now. Okay, so what is happening is when we have this confirmation, you need to check out Sweet Alert documentation. It's really easy. Okay, for example, using promises, we can keep track of how the user interacts with the alert. So click on either the button or outside the modal. If you preview, once you click on this, an automatic callback is called right here. So that's what we are doing. When the user clicks on the confirm, we're simply going to redirect that user to the next lesson. Now we don't have the next lesson, so let's get it. And the easiest way is to get it from a prop. So next lesson URL. Okay, then in our watch.blade.php, let's pass this prop in. So here we need next lesson URL, and it's going to be equal to, we already have the route method that gives us this link, so I'll just copy it. So for the next lesson, and then I'm gonna paste it right here. Okay, so don't worry, I know we have a lot of queries going on right here, but we're gonna refactor to remove all of those. But for now, let's just make this work. Okay, so to make sure everything is working, so to make sure everything works as expected, windows.location is supposed to be equal to this.next lesson URL. Okay, so automatically when we click on that button, it's going to redirect us to the next lesson. Okay, so let's go ahead to our browser and see if everything works as expected. Let's inspect and hard refresh right there, and then let's visit our view player to see if we have the next lesson URL. We do. So I'm gonna play this video, and then I'm gonna fast forward it a little to the end such that we see that notification. And once the video is completed, our Vimeo player automatically fires that event and we display our Sweet Alert. Now if we click on this button and everything works perfectly, this page should be refreshed to the next lesson. Great, it's refreshed, but we have a problem, right? Because in our prop that we're passing right here, we are trying to get the next lesson, but this is actually the last lesson of the series. Okay, and remember, we didn't have that error earlier because we wrapped this in an if statement. So if lesson get previous lesson, and if lesson get next lesson. So but at least we're redirecting to the next lesson successfully. Now what we need to do is only call this method if we have a next lesson. Okay, so we're going to be refactoring a lot in the very next video, cleaning up a lot of this and avoiding such errors. Okay, thank you so much for watching. See you in the very next video.